Hello student, welcome to my channel. Myself Rajiv Maurya and you are watching the video from LVM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we shall discuss some questions that based on the bar graph from the chapter of data handling. In the last video, I have explained the basic idea about the bar graph and how we shall draw the bar graph, what are the criteria that we have to follow here in order to draw the graph that will represent the quantity of the data as given. So I hope that you understood everything whatever we have discussed in the previous video. So today we shall see some questions that based on the same topic. So let's start from a question. The question says that make a bar graph to compare the length of some world's largest river, their approximate length of the kilometers given. Okay, there are some world's largest river given like Nile, Amazon, Brahmaputra. uh, I think I have to write this name vertical. Nile, Amazon, Brahmaputra, Saint Lawrence, and Mississippi, Missouri. Mississippi, Missouri. This is the largest river that found in America. Mississippi, Missouri. Okay, these are some rivers that found across the world. Sorry for the mistake in the spelling. These are some rivers that have their length as 6,670 kilometers. The Amazon River has the length 6,280 kilometers. Brahmaputra 2,900 kilometers, that is 2,900 kilometers, and St. Lawrence is 3,040 kilometers, and the last is Mississippi, Missouri is the length of Mississippi, Missouri river is 6,050 kilometers approximately. Is given. Here, some world's largest river, that is Nile, which flow in Africa, and the Kahira city situated at the bank of the river Nile, the Amazon river, which is flow in Africa, Brahmaputra for India, St. Lawrence and Mississippi, Missouri, which found in America. The America's largest river is Mississippi, Missouri. Okay, well, these are the questions are GK, and here we need not to learn about the length. We have to draw the graph of the length for this river. So, in order to draw the graph, we have to draw two mutually perpendicular lines, which are generally known as the axis. So, student, I think I have to erase to draw the graph. So let's see. So first of all, here we shall draw two mutually perpendicular line which are generally known as axes. So here this is the x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, and this point is called origin, O. On the horizontal line, that is on the x-axis, we shall represent rivers. So here we write rivers. Okay, this is the rivers. And on the vertical line, that is the on y-axis, we shall represent length. This represent length of the river. Now here we have to give the reference 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 kilometer. Now the first here we write Nile. The second is Amazon. The third is Brahmaputra. B-R-A-M-H. Brahma. The next is Saint Lawrence. Saint Lawrence. And the last is Mississippi, Missouri. Mississippi, Missouri. Okay, so these are the river that we shall represent on the x-axis, and here every 1 centimeter represent 1000 kilometer, as here the reference given. 1, that is 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000 and 7000. Okay, on the y-axis we shall represent the length of the river, and on the x-axis we shall represent the various river. Now, as in the question it was given that the length of the river Nile was 6670 kilometer. So here 6670 will be nearly this point. Okay, so this point will represent 6670 kilometer. So here we draw the length. So we draw the graph on this point from here, and we so this graph will represent the length of the river Nile. Okay, and here we also mention the length of this river, which is given as 6670 kilometer. Okay, so this is the length of the river Nile. In the second, let's see what is the length of Amazon river. The Amazon river length is 6280 kilometers. So we can consider that 6280 will be at this point. So here we shall draw the next bar which will represent the length of the river Amazon. So the next bar will be like this. So this is the bar for the river Amazon, which has the length 6280 kilometer. This is the length of the river Amazon. Okay. The next, let's see the length of Brahmaputra river. The Brahmaputra river length is given as 2900 kilometer. Therefore, the point 29 may be found at this point. Okay. So, the bar for the Brahmaputra river will be this. This is the length of Brahmaputra river, which is equal to 2900 kilometer. 2900 kilometer. Okay. The next, St. Lawrence. So let us see what is the length of St. Lawrence. The St. Lawrence river's length is 3040 kilometer. So 3040 is very minute distance that may be at the same point of 3000. So this graph will be this is the length of 3040 kilometer, which is the length of St. Lawrence River. And at the last, that is the Mississippi, Missouri, having the length of 6050 kilometer. So that 6050 may be this. This bar graph represents the length of the river Mississippi, Missouri, which is equal to 6050 kilometer. So here from the given data, as given, the length of Nile is 6070 kilometer, the length of Amazon is 6280 kilometer, the length of Brahmaputra river is 2900 kilometer. Similarly, the St. Lawrence, that is the 3040 kilometer, and the length of Mississippi, Missouri is 6050 kilometer was given in the question, and we had drawn here the bar graph which represent the length of the river. As I told you that on the x-axis we shall represent the rivers, and on the y-axis we shall represent the length of the river. So these graph will represent the length of river using the concept of bar graph. So student, I hope the complete bar graph and the procedure to draw the bar graph is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please mention a comment in the comment section. I will clear your doubt in the next video. Till then, goodbye.